Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you step by step on how to fix the blurriness issue on your Facebook stories. So let's get started. First, let's open up the Facebook mobile app. Tap on the menu button at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're on this page, scroll down a bit and under Preferences, tap Media. And now on the video quality, you will see these two options. The first option is optimize, adjust the resolution to network conditions, and the second option is data saver, lower the resolution for all videos. So if you have set this to data saver, that's why all the videos and stories look bad because Facebook is using less data and therefore less quality. To fix that, simply select optimized and now the video quality will be in good condition and will be adjusted according to the internet speed. That's a wrap and thanks for watching.